Today we'll talk a little bit about leg strength, and one of the things you see all the time on the internet is how to improve leg strength and doing squats and weight at this and weight at that. You don't always have access to weights, you don't always need weights. What you can do is just use your body weight and manipulate your body into different positions. The basic setup, and what I'll say to a lot of folks is your legs start to go as you get older. That's the sign that you're in trouble. You want to keep your legs strong and you want to keep your balance good. So what I encourage people to do on a regular basis is, regular squat holds. Do that for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes. You get yourself into a position where whatever's comfortable about shoulder width, drop yourself down and hold it. Now you can get into a squatting position. You can manipulate the time. You put pause in. One of my favorite quick workouts is the mountain squats. I start with 5 reps or 3 reps. Hold it at the bottom of the squat, and then I'll work my way to go 3 reps, 2 reps, 1, on down the mountain and up the mountain so it looks like this. Hold it for 3 seconds, and then do 2 reps. Hold it for 3 seconds, and then do 1 rep. Hold it for 3 seconds, and then work my way back up the mountain with 1 rep. 3, 2, 1, 1. 2 reps, 3, 2, 1, and 3 reps. I'm at the top of the mountain. 3, 2, 1. Squatting and leg strength are critical. There's so many different things you can do. We'll see lunges. Before you start getting into walking lunges, I would work on holding a lunge, just holding it there. Again, like a squat, you hold that lunge up to 2 minutes, you're doing something, right? You do that either side, anywhere from 15 seconds to 2 minutes, chest up, tight legs. Those are some basic things you can do every day to improve leg strength. I encourage you, if not every day, every second day, take time to do it. Your body will thank you later.